Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term faux H. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, faux H is short for fuck outta here, used to express disbelief or to dismiss something someone said as nonsense. People use it when they think someone is lying or exaggerating. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. FOH first showed up in the 1990s African American vernacular English scene and grew popular through hip hop culture. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and online communities. Now let's check out how to use FOH in a sentence. Correct example 1. When she said she ran a marathon without training, I just replied, "Faux, no way." Correct example 2. You got a perfect score on the test? FOH, that's amazing. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said FOH at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using FOH right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. FOH means fuck outta here, expressing disbelief or dismissal. It started in the 1990s hip hop culture, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with FOH in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.